Hello friends, we'll find birds from A to Z and learn the ABCs too. A is for albatross, gliding in the sky so high. B is for bluebird, singing a happy tune. C is for canary, chirping with glee. D is for dove, a symbol of peace. E is for eagle, bold and strong. F is for flamingo, dancing pink and tall. G is for goldfinch, munching in the sun. H is for hummingbird, buzzing so quick. I is for ibis, searching for fish. J is for jaybird, chirping cheekily. K is for kingfisher, splash and catch. L is for lark, singing at dawn. M is for macaw, a rainbow with wings. N is for nightingale, sweet lullaby at night. O is for owl, hoo-hoo in the dark. P is for peacock, dazzling and proud. Q is for quail, with a little feathery trail. R is for robin, home sweet home. S is for sparrow, tiny and fun. T is for toucan, snacking on a treat. U is for umbrella bird, with a funky look. V is for vulture, watching from above. W is for woodpecker, tap tap tapping trees. X is for Xanthus's hummingbird, rare and fast. Y is for yellow warbler, full of sunshine. Z is for zebra finch, stripy and sweet. Wow! We met birds from A to Z.